Now, this is a wee cheap and cheerful Makita router, M3601. Needs repaired. Oh, that's not good. It's not starting. The spindle is stiff. Don't sound healthy. The armature looks alright. Brushes are good. Why did that not switch on? Lead's okay. Yeah, switch. Faulty switch. That bearing's alright, but that bearing's gone. I'll just change in 2 bearings as well now that we're on side. Brushes look okay. Pull them out of the way so we can get it back together more easily. Don't lose the washer on that spindle. There's a 6203 bearing on the top. See, we've got one of these in stock. Now this may only be a wee red Makita. It's actually nearly the exact same as the blue Makita. The blue one's an RP0900. Basically, same idea, just this is totally made in China. Everything's made out of China. Even the switch. You see the quality, that's just not as good. This isn't the exact switch, but you can see a lot of Makita switches are the same. So that's a genuine Makita to the blue one, and that's a genuine Makita. Just this is locked. You have to push the button to turn it on. This one, you can use the button to lock it on. Exact same switch. Different button setups. You get another one then without any button, which would be like this one. So that'll be a cheaper one from China. Then you get a genuine one from Makita, from the blue ones. So I don't have the one without the button. So I'll just take this button out and use that switch instead. $7.50 for that wee switch. Not like it's not expensive, so just use this one. Another thing you can do, if you really wanted, if you don't have a replacement at hand, pop them 2 wee tabs and open up the switch. More than likely it's just going to be packed out with dirt. So the dust has got onto that one and blocked it up. So if you wanted to, you could dismantle that, take it apart, clean it out, put it all back together again. See, the dust has just got onto it. But for the price of these wee switches, I'm just going to replace it. There's my switch now. Now this is only switching on the lathe. The neutral's wired on direct. Some of these switches they do. Use the other side. That's not switching either, that is just continuity on both sides. So the neutral may be wired in there and to the bottom on some machines. Right. So new switch. New bearings. I should keep this running sweet for a while longer. Brushes are fine. That's her. The tricky part is getting the casing closed with this base installed. Make sure this pin is located into that notch. Hold it with your thumb. Your switch line done. That can be a wee bit tricky. Might take a few attempts, but closes on the end. Sounds better already. That's her.